Hi, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Jamovi for your data analysis. In this video, we'll start with how to import a data file and then do some exploration of the data. So for data importation, you can import it from Excel or even from SPSS, and it is very this software is very handy because you can import it very quickly, and this software is getting popular nowadays because of its ability to handle data, and you will see how quickly it can give you the outputs, while this software is very easily accessible and there are many plugins available in it. So we'll start with importing the data file. For that, we'll go in this button and go for open. In open, you will find the data file using the directory. So I found this data file without outliers in SPSS. So you can even if export the Excel file. So the advantage of SPSS is that I have already coded it, so it will import the data file. So in this data file, you can see I have the variables available, all the variables and the data files are available. Now I can start with exploration. So when you press exploration, you can go for descriptives. In the descriptive, you can select the variables that you want to do for exploration. Like I select these two variables, I suppose, and if I want to split it for any type of variable, so I can select it from here, split variable. Okay, so then I will go with what kind of statistics I need to do. So you can also add frequencies, and then you also need if I need skewness and kurtosis and IQR and Shapiro will test, and then if I want their histogram, and then QQ plot for normality. So when I do this, so you will see that the two variables, their observations, their missing values, their mean, their median, standard deviation, IQR, minimum, maximum, skewness, kurtosis, okay, and Shapiro Wilk are available. Then if you go down, you will see their percentages of the data of in terms of the frequencies of data for each type of JC and each type of the categorization variable. Similarly, for the other variable, then you can see the histogram, and then you can see the QQ plot for one and then for the other. So this way you can explore the variables using Jamovi. So hope you like this video. You can start with exploration of your data using Jamovi, and then in the coming videos you will learn more advanced methods. Thank you very much for watching.